We want to show you how to use the AML Bitcoin Digital Identity application for transaction security purposes. On transaction security video, we originally showed you how to enable transaction security. You might have already seen our tutorial named How Our Two-Phase Transaction Security System Works, and you enable it in the AML Bitcoin platform. If you haven't, click the link below in the description area to see it. Instead of manually approving transaction of 1000 ABTC like you can see here on my wallet, on the amlwallet.com platform like you're used to, now we have another option. You can A. Still use the Google Authenticator on your phone like you're used to, or B. You can just do a face scan on our mobile app to verify your transaction. Of course, you first have to go through the process of our last video and install and enable our mobile app. Once done, you can use Biometrics like I'm doing here instead of Google Authenticator as shown here in the video. To verify my transaction, I just do a face scan here. As you can see, it just gets verified. You can also see your recent transaction under History. Now once again, your transaction was tied to your biometrics. It's that easy. Thanks a lot for viewing, and we'll see you in the next video.